अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, मैं आपकी टीचर यूसरा आसिम, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर कंप्यूटर साइंस। आज हम देखेंगे कि सेकंड ईयर की जो बुक है आपकी कंप्यूटर साइंस की, उसके सी लैंग्वेज वाला जो पार्ट है उसमें से कौन कौन से शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस इंपॉर्टेंट हैं जो कि आपके पेपर में आ सकते हैं। लेट अस स्टार्ट नाउ। डिफाइन प्रोग्रामर, डिफाइन assembler, what is the expression, define structured programming language, what are comments, what is the use of scanf function। फर्दर हम देखते हैं define escape sequence, give any example, list escape character provided in C। ये आपके चैप्टर नंबर 3 में है जो कि सी लैंग्वेज का है, ठीक है। What is format specifier, list its types, define selection structure and its types, define switch statement, define two rules of using switch case in program, write function definition, what is the use of formal parameter, define binary stream and text stream, also compare them, उनको compare भी साथ में करना है। What is a bug, state the purpose of body of a function, what are the keywords, list any 5 keywords, define assignment operator। नेक्स्ट आता है what is character constant, what is the difference between machine language and high level language, write input functions in C, define getch and getche function, get character and get character echo function, why break statement is used in switch, what is the use of if else statement, write two types of function in C language, define local variable, write the syntax of do while, list different types of errors in C language, write main function, which function is used to close a file। नेक्स्ट देखते हैं what is explicit casting, define relational operator, list different relational operators, state relational expression, define arithmetic expression, write the use of format specifier, define standard input output, what is the conditional operator, write its syntax, define if statement, what is the importance of a function, what is the purpose of function call, purpose of define directive, explain। नेक्स्ट है why stdio.h header file is included in C program, purpose of include directive, ठीक है। include directive आपने फर्स्ट चैप्टर में पढ़ा है, हैश डिफाइन हैश इंक्लूड, तो include directive का मकसद क्या है। what is compound condition statement, its examples, how arithmetic overflow occurs, write the use of printf function with example, define compound statement and compound assignment statement, what is nested loop, why function is used, define function with example, what is end of file, what is text file। नेक्स्ट हम देखते हैं what is a pointer, what is the file pointer, what is the use of new line marker, what is the purpose of file handling, how file is opened in C, list 3 names of functions used for character input, what is the function prototype, you have to compare local and global variables after defining। What is local and global variable, what is the lifetime and scope of local and global variable, what are actual parameters, define between what is the difference between actual and formal parameters, how function return a value और what is a return statement, ये एक ही बात है। how does function make programming easier, list benefits of using a function। नेक्स्ट हम देखते हैं what is the difference between function definition and function declaration, what is function header, what is the use of parameters in function, define post-test loop, what is a continuous statement, what is loop, its uses and its advantages, difference between break and continue statement in loop, difference between counter and conditional loop। next है what is sentinel control loop, define goto statement, why is default label used in switch statement, what is the use of ampersand sign in scanf function. Describe clear screen function. List output functions. What is the purpose of fgetS? Function get string. What is the difference between declaring and defining a variable? What is variable declaration? What is the difference between constant and a variable? Define increment or decrement operator. Define AND operator. Next देखते हैं what is arithmetic underflow and overflow. What is the difference between character constant and string constant? What is the difference between implicit and explicit typecasting? What is the use of operator? What is the difference between unary and binary operators? Next है what is cancellation error? What is garbage value? What is variable initialization and declaration? What is ternary operator? What shortcut keys to run a C program? मतलब कौन सी हम शॉर्टकट की यूज कर रहे होते हैं कि हमने सी प्रोग्राम को जब रन करना है. इसी तरह आपको कंपाइल की भी पूछी जा सकती है, सेव की भी पूछी जा सकती है. ठीक है. एंड व्हाट इज अ हेडर फाइल. थैंक यू सो मच. आपको आज की वीडियो कैसे लगी लाजमी बताइएगा. इन सारे शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस को आपने अच्छे से प्रिपेयर करना है टू गेट योर गुड मार्क्स इन योर ICS पार्ट 2. थैंक यू.